Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to make Windows 11 taskbar smaller or bigger or resize it by the very simplest way. So let's go. First of all, go to the start and type regedit and just click on registry editor. Okay, then just click on second link H key current user. In current user, just click on here. In current user, just click on the software at here. Here is the software. In software, just find Microsoft. Okay, in Microsoft, click on Microsoft. Find Windows at here. Windows. In Windows, just find current version. Click at here. In current version, find Explorer. Okay, Explore. Then find Advanced. Click at Advanced. In Advanced, we find some files. Then just right click at white space and click on New and click on DWRD 32-bit value. And in value, just type Taskbar SI. And OK. Now double click on it. And in value, just type 0 for small, 1 for medium, and 2 for extra large. So I don't enter any value. I just enter the 0 and click on OK. If medium, then click on 1. If extra big, then click on 3. Just click on 0. Okay. Now just close it and restart your PC. I am going to restart my PC and then come back and see my taskbar is become small or not. So I am going to restart my PC. As we see, my taskbar become smaller. So guys, this is the simplest way to make Windows 11 taskbar smaller or bigger or resize it. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.